morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay. So did you all completed the exercises which we did yesterday? That is choose the correct answer and complete the sentences. Students, I hope you all are doing your work. This is very important. You have to do your work daily. Okay. And today, the topic that we are going to do today is word fun. Yes, fun with words. It is given at page number 27 in your book. Okay. Now, what you have to do in this question? But before that, I will explain you with few examples. Okay. What is word fun? Word fun means a word is given but it's not complete. You have to complete this word. Blanks are given and how you have to guess this word? By seeing this picture. The picture which is given to you. Clear? Now which picture is this? Which object is this? It is a ball. It is a ball. Yes. So that means we understood after seeing this picture that this spelling is of ball. Isn't it? Let's see. Let's see it matches or not. Like B, A is written, L is written. What's the spelling of ball? It's B-A-L-L, ball. So L will come here. Got it? Similarly, the second picture. Can you see this picture? What is this, kids? Yes, this is a hut. This is a hut, isn't it? So, the spelling of hut is H-U-T. H-U-T. Isn't it simple and very easy? Yes, I hope you all enjoyed it. So, the next question is also based on this. A picture is given to you. Okay, a picture not of objects but a picture of a scene, a forest scene. Picture of a forest scene is given in your books. Yes, on page number 27, can you see at the top? Yes, and some 8 incomplete spellings are given to you. You have to complete these spellings. How? Yes, by guessing the word in the picture. Yes, by guessing it. After seeing the picture, you have to guess the word and you have to complete the spelling. So without wasting time, let's begin. Are you ready for the word fun? Yes, let's start. Okay, now can you see this picture? Yes, can you see this picture here? All the words are based on this picture only. You have to find out. Let's proceed. Okay, the first spelling is T dash dash E S. Okay kids, can you see T dash dash E S? Now yes. Now which is this spelling? Yes, you have to see in the picture. You have to see in the picture. Yes. So trees. Yes, can you see trees in the picture? Yes. So the correct answer is trees. T-R-E-E-S. You also have to write, children. You have to write with me. T-R-E-E-S. Let's proceed. The second word is D dash dash R. D dash dash R. Yes. Now, according to the picture. Yes, according to the picture, this is which word? Yes, it's the spelling of an animal, isn't it? Yes. So, it's deer. It's deer. Okay, that is D-E-E-R, deer. Okay, kids, let's proceed. The third word is dash dash T T dash dash F dash dash. According to the picture, you can see butterfly. Yes. So this is the spelling of butterfly. We have to fill in the words. Okay. Now the spelling of butterfly is B. Okay. Then it's U T T E R F L Y. That is butterfly. Yes. The next spelling is G dash A dash dash. Yes, come on, guess. It's very easy. Yes, in the picture you can see this all around. Yes, it's grass. Correct. It's grass. The spelling of grass is G R. A is already written. S S. Grass. Got it? Now come to the next word, that is the fifth word, dash O O dash. Yes, it's little tricky. Come on, guess. Dash O dash dash. Come on, guess. Okay, I will tell you. The answer is wood. The answer is wood. Yes, you cannot see wood in the picture, but can you see the trunk of the trees? Yes, we get wood from the forest only, isn't it? Yes, so the answer will be wood. Answer will be wood. Let's write down W. O is written. One more O will come. And then D. W-O-O-D wood. W-O-O-D wood. Now the sixth word is R-KS. Very easy. You can see it in the picture. This is the spelling of rocks. This is the spelling of rocks. Can you see rocks in the picture? R-O-C-K-S, rocks. Okay. Now come to the next one. Dash I dash dash R. Very easy. Dash I dash dash R. Guess, come on. Yes. Okay, I will tell you. It's river. R-I-V-E R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Okay, kids? Now come to the last one. S dash 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 E. Very simple. It's an animal which you can see in the picture. Can you guess on the tree? Who is sitting on the tree? Starts from S. Very simple. Come on, guess. Yes, it's snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Okay kids, I hope you all understood. Let's proceed. Okay kids, I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all were also able to guess few spellings from those 8 spellings. Isn't it? Yes, and I hope some of you might have guessed all these spellings correct. Yes? Okay. So, today we have done one question, that is word fun. And children, you have to make more new words. Okay, you have to practice more new words like these. Okay kids, take care. Bye. Tomorrow we'll meet again with one more topic. Bye.